Hello friends, let us now animate our hammerhead shark that we had rigged last time. Okay, yeah, let us delete these keys. Delete keyframes, Alt R or G. Okay, now we'll start making the keyframes again. But before we actually create the keyframes for the movement of the limbs, we are going to just create a simple moving animation. Okay. Okay. Delete these keyframes again. We go to frame 1. We go to frame 1, and at frame 1 we create a keyframe for location, rotation, and scale. And then we go to frame 240, G, Y. Now, select only the root, G, Y, create a keyframe for the same values. Yeah, we have to place the camera properly. Okay, and camera view is not proper. Okay, so frame 1, the camera over here. Okay, we don't have a camera right now. Let's create a camera. Okay, let's create a camera. Shift A, camera. Obviously, it's going to be created at the origin. Okay, and then we grab the camera, call it 0, 0 here. Try to locate our over here also. It should be within the camera, right? So we grab the camera and move it over here. Rotate the camera, grab it. Yeah. Now let's play it. coming from there. Comes over here. Or you want a closer look. Here. Over here. Take the camera closer. Okay. Then let's play it. It's coming close to the camera now. Coming very close to the camera. Yeah. That's nice. Looks really nice. Okay, let's stop it and let's create some kind of Control S, we'll save and create some movement of the we'll go to the pose mode and create some poses, right? Plus the up and down motion of the pins. You can do that even here. Go to your object mode, go to your pose mode. Okay. Layout. Okay, in the layout mode we can do that. Okay. At frame one. Select this. Okay. Rotate it. Now grab it. Keep this also. Keep this. Rotate it. Then at 20, grab it down, create a key, change this only. Okay. Yeah. Then we straighten it here, grab it. Grab it. Key. This also grab it. Rotate it. Key it. Okay. Down. Suppose we copy this. Copy pose. Paste pose. Copy pose. Paste pose. grab it and pick it up. Right? Take it down. Hit. Take it up. Hit. Take it down. Hit. Up. Down. Let's play the animation. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now let's do this further. Z. Let's see from the top. Okay. Z. Z. Slow movement of the tail. Then right. And this one. Okay. Now let's play. Control S, keep saving. Where is it? Okay. Here also we need to go to left, right, R, Z. Let's play it. Yeah, it's coming from there. Let's see from our animation point of view from the camera. Yeah, it looks nice. So we have created a very small animation of our hammerhead shark moving, right? It's a very small animation, nice looking animation. Yeah, we can do many things, but for now I think leave it there, and we are going to see. I'm going to close, let us see what we can do. Use greenish sea color. Okay, I think it's quite well lit though, right? Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching this simple tutorial on animating the hammerhead shark. If you have liked it, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for many more such videos in future. Thank you once again. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.